What does that look like?
It looks like it's a plant.
Target with Emily
Whose arms
and
are
Sean.
these? They're too small to fit him.
What does he do with it? Oh, interesting. Yes, this girl's arm. Oh, if you want to get the whole Akoya, you have to buy all the white guys.
So do they stop? Let your child pretend to kill half the universe.
That's genocide, the glove.
Fake geek girl.
Dude,
Sean's a
R2-D2
fake
Sphero.
geek girl.
Oh, bop it like you mean it. Look at
Dance. Dance, monkey, dance.
they're stacked. I don't feel so good.
It's cannon.
Piece of shoes.
Jeez, Emily. I don't think my feet. This is like a showdown, like fight. Amped.
Not Emily.
What's this?
No, it's milk powder. It's formula.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's like an abomination. What is it? Are they snacks?
No, sure.
Are they snacks? What? Oh, jeez.
We found the boss.
No.
Yeah, I need to find my Spider-Man alarm clock.
Oh my god.
I was legit looking at it on the Target app. Not sponsored.
I can't get over this. Like,
Hi. Someone.
Hi.
Why does it look like a really muscular baby?
no,
No, it's not.
The legs just look super toned though.
No, they don't.
That's something to tell us, Sean.
What? It's close enough to Sam.
Kiss him.
It's like a Buddha.
The minion
Oh.
is a Buddha.
Oh, looks
Yeah.
like there's none for
Yeah.
Emmy line.
Now. Yeah.
Sleep. Sleep. Ah! Please give me a tour.
Okay, over here we have the dining table. There's just cups everywhere. Here's my candle collection.
Oh, who's this stranger?
Everybody gather around.
It's
I'm
just
gonna read
Gary,
a
he kind of
prayer.
lives here.
In a large bowl, whisk together the flour. All the
Ignore him. Anyways, here we have the sleeping arrangements. They're mostly filled with pillows, unfortunately. But if you need to go to bed, you just kind of like,
You're expecting?
oh no, that's for Gary.
Gary. Gary, you pregnant? Found the clocks.
They're not gonna have food or
It's in stock. I checked
He's
the
not,
app.
he's not here anymore, Amelia.
Look at these like. He's like a baby.
That's how big it is. I don't want one that big.
That's $20. That looks like a hot air balloon.
I thought he was tiny. He is not, in fact, tiny.
Do you need a baby from the Incredibles?
Boss baby.
No, not the Boss Baby.
I think this is big enough for Emily.
What's the next objective?
Find out whatever the hell this is.
I say we gotta try on at least one article of clothing.
Find the,
Clothes. Let's go get clothes.
yeah, let's go to
Let's
the
go.
laundry aisle.
What?
The laundry aisle.
Yes, the laundry aisle. That's what I
The
said.
laundry
Laundry.
aisle.
Hot little
It's
number right
it's
here.
like those lollipops, like the popsicles.
I don't think that fits you.
4th of July.
Sean, it's for that kid.
Sean, you gotta
This is
turn
medium.
around.
I don't think we're in the right section,
Yeah.
guys. It's over there.
The intimates and sleepwear.
Yeah.
Past that. Jeez.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom. Hot chili pepper booms.
Mr. Hatman, bring me home. Yeah.
That's disgusting. Why is that so orange?
Couple of the year.
Scarlett Johansson in Infinity War?
Dude.
There's so many characters.
Woman in Infinity War? Who
Hey.
would have thought?
Jessica.
It's more likely than you think.
What's our new goal? Guys? No.
Are we gonna stay here, or do you want to go to like Salvation or something?
Let's go to the Salvation Army. Wait, where's Emily? We lost our child.
We lost Emily.
Oh no. Goodbye.
Leaning all nonchalantly on this thing.
I'm a cool kid. We're cool
Yeah, cool.
teenagers. You're a
She's not cool.
lukewarm teenager.
Ooh.
Family store. Let's go, family.
So what is the relationship here?
I'm the daddy.
Got a scrapbook.
Nice.
Next video coming at you. I'm on Sean and Amelia's scrapbook of the year.
Not today.
Yeah, no, we're not scrapbooking today.
Why are you saying?
No, I said next video coming at you.
Oh, okay.
Next week. We lost one of our group members in one.
He got eaten.
Are we saying goodbye to the vlog?
Yeah. Goodbye, internet.
You have to end the video by putting your hand over the camera. Wrong side. Bye.
Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream.
It's a Spooderman. Spooderman. This is a Spooderman? Spooderman.
Right. Oh my god, you're obsessed.